Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi S3 Sportback. It comes dressed in the gorgeous, eye-catching Python yellow, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 4,549 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels, with a 10-spoke star-style design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection to your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic, for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and a high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi S3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.